Now it's fine.
Videos. No, not yeah.
It's fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you show your government ID?
Government ID proof. Okay, give me 1 minute. Is it visible? Hello?
No. Can you move up? Can you move up? Move up. Up. Yes.
It's okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I need to take screenshot. Can you move a bit backward? Can you move a bit backward? No, okay. Fine. Yeah. Can you tell about yourself and what's your roles and responsibility in your current project?
Yeah, I can. Myself, Puja. I am from Bihar but currently live in Mumbai. I have done my MCA and I have my current organization is Clover Infotech and my current designation is a Java developer and I have total years of experience 3 years and currently working on like microservices, Spring Security, JUnit testing like Mockito and Spring MVC and Spring Boot and multi-threading, exception handling, oops concept, Java 8 feature and MySQL database. That's all. And I have worked on my project. So my project belongs to marketing domain. As a developer, I was responsible to develop marketing app for my client. To perform end-to-end automation, some of the important modules in this project work like lead module, contact module, and billing module. So in this lead module is responsible for collect customer information and contact module is responsible for kept customer information and billing module is responsible for generated bill for those our customers. So in this project, my roles and responsibilities: installing MySQL database and creating database schema, developing view using JSP and JSTL tags, developing entity class, developing controller layer in Spring Boot to interact with MySQL database, and developing service layer for business logic, and developing entity class to map database, and developing a repository interface where I have used like @ repository and extend JPA repository interface to perform CRUD operation like create, read, update, and delete. And I have developed configurations to be done using application.properties file and fixing of defect communicated by the tester and testing API using Postman. That's all.
Okay. Yeah. Currently, which version of Java are you working on?
Sorry?
Which version of Java are you working on it?
I am working Java 8.
Okay. So can you explain optional class?
Yes, I can. Optional class, it helps us to handle null pointer exception.
Okay. Can you explain parallel stream?
Sorry? Hello?
Parallel stream.
I am not getting your voice. Can you come again?
Parallel stream.
Okay, you want stream, right?
Parallel stream. Parallel.
Parallel stream, right?
Correct.
Basically, stream is it help us to filter, map, and sort the records, and it can be like created using like at the rate parallel, sorry, parallel stream. um, uh, and it is like used for operations that um, like it is used for Java 8. It is introduced in Java 8, and it is like a multiple like it will be improving the performance for large data sets.
Can you share your screen and open Notepad?
Yeah, I can. My screen is visible
No?
now.
Yeah, I can. Yes.
Can I use Eclipse IDE?
You can open Notepad. It's fine.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. Just consider list of employee object. Okay.
Okay.
List of employee object. Each employee object contains employee ID, name, and designation. Designation will be like software engineer, senior software engineer, lead, manager. So that hierarchy will be.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to get the count of each designation in the list. Okay. For example, the software engineer, 10, senior software engineer, 6, lead, 2, manager, 1. So like that. So, so output will be done like this using stream. You got my question?
Like employee ID, you gave answer employee ID, employee name, and designation, right?
Yeah.
Like could be like software
Employee
engineer
objects. Yeah.
and okay, yeah, okay.
You got my question?
Can you explain again?
List of employee object.
Okay.
So each employee object contains employee ID, name, and designation.
Yeah, okay, I understood.
Okay. So you need to get the count of each designation.
Okay, you want whole code or only you want logic?
Logic
Okay.
using stream.
Okay. My screen is visible, na?
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine.
Can you explain your code?
Okay. Here I have took one map. This is like a interface map, and I have took one like both. Um, I have stored like key value pair here. Here is key is string and value is long, and after that I have here took variable name like designation count. I have took here variable name, and after that it will be I have used employees before, where I have created like list of employees. That time I have took variable name employee. That's why I have here took employees. This will be like employees dot stream method. This will be like convert the list into a stream. And after that I have used a collector collect dot collect and collectors dot group by id, and employee get designation I have used, and collectors and counting I have used here. It will be like it will be collectors dot counting. It will be counts the occurrence of each designation. This will be count occurrence of each character. Okay, hello.
Okay.
And after that I have used the like
Okay. What group by does here?
sorry,
So the purpose of using group by?
comes again.
The purpose of using group by.
Okay, basically it's a group by I have used here. By using it will be like a java method, sorry, it will be a method, and here it will be count the object. It helps us to count the object. That's why I have to here as a group by. And
No, counting, that is, for counting there is a separate count is there. Okay, that is counting. So what is the purpose of group by?
group by I told you, no, group by here I have used for groups employed by designation.
Okay.
I have used it here.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. So how will you use lambda expression in the functional interface?
Sorry,
How will you use lambda expression in the functional interface?
I will use lambda's expression in under functional interface. Um, Interface means I will like interface is sorry, inter functional interface. Now you ask me.
Yes.
When I will when I will want to reduce the code, that time I will use the lambda's expression. Basically it will be like you want syntax or
No. No.
hello.
Yeah, it's okay. Not syntax. Yeah. So how will you use lambda expression in the functional interface?
Functional interface, it is like I will write the code our requirement now. According to our requirement I will write
Okay.
first of all I will create @ functional interface, and when I will declare @ functional interface, that I will code understand this is a functional interface. If I not declare @ functional interface and code is not understanding like this one is a functional interface, like it will be understand like it is a normal interface. Means normal interface means I can write many abstract method our requirement. But in when I declare as the functional interface, it will be like only one abstract method only I will create, and many are created like a default and static method according to our requirement I can create default, but only one abstract method it will be required. And after that, if I will want to use lambda's expression, that time I'll use like I will create one functional interface, and suppose I want to add two numbers, that time I will suppose I want to add two numbers, that time I will write logic in write logic for using lambda's expression for reduce the number of line of code.
Okay. 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 Can you explain concurrent hash map?
Concurrent hash map, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. Concurrent hash map is uh, it also stores key value pair, and it and concurrent hash map is like thread safe, and concurrent hash map is like it will be like means stores does not stores any null key and value, and yes, and it
Okay.
is thread safe. It is
Okay.
synchronized.
So then difference between a concurrent hash map and a synchronized hash map.
Concurrent hash map and synchronized hash map. Hello.
Correct.
Uh,
Correct. Correct. Difference.
Concurrent hash map and synchronized hash map. Basically, concurrent hash map it is like it allow multiple thread to read and write simultaneously, right? Okay, and and in synchronized hash map it is a normal hash map wrapped with a synchronizing using the collection dot synchronized map method. I will use, and it will be in a concurrent hash map. It will be like higher for concurrent access, but synchronized hash map it is slower for concurrent slow and concurrent hash map it is like does not allow null keys and values, but a synchronization hash map it is allow one null key and multiple null values.
Okay. Okay. Oh, fine. Can you explain reset?
Sorry.
Reset.
Okay. Basically tree set is a interface, and sorry, by mistake I told you. Tree set is a like class, and tree set is a implement of set interface. Set is a interface and implement on set interface, and tree set is a like it will be allow, it will not allow like null. Tree set is a null not allowed, and unique value it will be allowed, and it will be store data in ascending order by default, and tree set it will be like it also it does not allow duplicate element.
Okay. So can you explain instantiation?
Sorry.
Can you explain instantiation?
Instance creation.
Instantiation.
I'm not understanding.
Okay, fine. Can you explain enumerator?
Sorry.
Enumerator. That's the type.
Enumerator.
Hmm.
Sorry, I'm not aware.
Okay. So did you also multi-threading?
Yes, multi-threading means at a time execute multiple threads.
So what are the ways you will create it?
There are two ways to create multi-threading by using extending thread and runnable interface. I will create a thread with help of extending thread and runnable interface.
Can you explain callable and runnable interface?
Yes, runnable and callable interface. Basically, runnable it cannot return any value, but it runnable it can runnable it cannot return any value, means void types, and callable it can be returned, and runnable it cannot throw a checked exception. It can throw a checked exception, but callable it cannot throw a checked exception.
Okay. What is checked exception? What is unchecked exception?
Checked exception, also known as compile time exception, and this exception occurs when we convert .java file to .class file to uh, checked exception. This exception occurs when we convert .java file to .class file, but unchecked exception. This exception occur when we convert dot run file to Java file.
Okay. Can you explain predicate and function?
Predicate and function.
Yes.
Okay. Predicate, this will be also like a predicate and function is a like a interface, and also this is a type of predicate also include in function interface, and